out at the front from Brett Chandler and Wyatt Ferguson. Art Johnson got left a little bit at the start. Wyatt Ferguson's going to lead us into the first corner with Brett Chandler in that second spot. And Art Johnson in that 3 spot. Being chased by Josh Steele. Meanwhile, our amateurs, that's Alexis Bonat's out front. He's actually leading Ken Murray of the experts out there as well. So Ken Murray trying to get back by him, and he's going to, it looks like, on the brakes into the bus stop. He is. Ken Murray angry at all these young guys, not giving him any room out there. Through the S's we go. Wyatt Ferguson already putting some distance between himself and Brett Chandler. The fight to watch is going to be between Art Johnson and Brett Chandler for that 2 spot, I think. And if they can get Josh Steele in there goes Art Johnson right by Brett. Got a better drive out of that S. I guess it's really not a fight to watch. Art Johnson's trying to set his sights on Wyatt Ferguson. Wyatt hung with Wyatt for a little bit earlier in the day, and Wyatt put his head down and decided he was had enough of that nonsense. So now the battle of the Roch becomes Brett Chandler and Josh Steele for the final podium position right now in this race. Art Johnson right now is setting his sights on chasing out Wyatt Ferguson, and Wyatt Ferguson's been riding really, really well all year long. Brett Chandler and Josh Steele going to be fighting for that final podium position. Still leading us out. Art Johnson in that second position right now. Brett Chandler still holding off Josh Steele. If they cut each other up too much, Ken Murray is going to be in their mix in just a second. Now, let's see where everybody's at. We still got Wyatt Ferguson out in front of Art Johnson. And I missed a pass somewhere. I do believe Josh Steele has gotten past. He has gotten past Brett Chandler. Brett Chandler in the clutches of Ken Murray right now. And Josh Steele holding on to a podium in our expert class. Art Johnson doesn't have anything for Wyatt Ferguson at this juncture in the day. Meanwhile, Josh Steele already in a lonely 3rd spot. Ken Murray trying to get past Brett for 4. John, is that 3 or 4? Ken Murray and Brett Chandler, they were just actually eating lunch together, so now they're going to battle on track. Ken Murray going up the inside on the brakes. Good job by him to take away that 1st spot from Brett Chandler. Brett Chandler goes from a podium to 5th place in about a lap. Art Johnson doing his level best to get on even terms with Wyatt Ferguson and just can't make any inroads onto the young man on the 700 machine out there. Art Johnson doing whatever he can. He's got a solid lock on that 2nd position. Down the drag strip we go. Wyatt Ferguson still out in front. Art Johnson in that 2 spot. Josh Steele in that 3. Ken Murray now in that 4 spot. And our experts have now spread out just a little bit. Brett Chandler in the 5. The only battle left to be had, I think, is for 2nd place in the amateur class, but that one's also kind of spread out just a little bit. flag as they come back by. It is going to be Wyatt Ferguson taking a white flag ahead of Art Johnson. Wyatt Ferguson coming through the carousel for the final time in this race today. Maybe for the final time today. I don't think he's in any other races today. Wyatt Ferguson going to take another victory. Looks over his shoulder. Tried to wheelie across the line. And unfortunately for him, it's not normal for a young man, but he just couldn't get it up.